Hi, this is Krista with Krista's Sewing Studio, and I just have a really quick video here about how to do some efficiency so that you can make face masks faster, because we're all making a ton of these face masks, or a lot of us are making a ton of these face masks to donate and for our friends and all kinds of things. And so this is just some ideas on how to get it done faster. So my first tip is baskets on shelves, and I know my shelves are kind of a mess right now, but I'm working in here. So in each one of these baskets is all the parts for a certain color of mask. Sometimes I mix masks. This one has two different colors of mask, but basically everything is in these baskets for, except for this one, for the different colors of masks. And then I stack these up and slide them on my shelves and rotate through them as I'm making different prints and stuff. So that is my first tip. Second tip is if you're making bias strips for your ties, like that's in, oh, that's good English, like that's in my pattern that I'm going to link below. If you're going to make the straps and have them inserted into the side of the mask, make them all a bunch at one time, because there's with a lot of things in sewing, there's economy in doing a similar thing over and over again. It doesn't happen that way for every sewing step. I find that at some point it's better to just keep your hands on one mask and finish that mask to completion, but there's a lot of preliminary steps that can be done all at one time, and it actually saves time in the long run, such as cutting them all out, cutting out at least the fabric for one mask, like all the fabric you have for one mask design all at once is a much better efficient use of your time than cutting one out, going and sewing it and cutting one out. So the same kind of thing happens, and that's I think pretty obvious to most people, but again, doing this kind of thing also saves a lot of time in the long run. It takes longer to get your first one done, but in the long run you'll make more of them. So another thing I have here to save time with my mask pattern is there is optionally a serge at the pocket opening of my pattern. And so what I have done is I have run these together on my serger, and I've run them so that when I pull them out of the serger, I just have to like accordion them, and then they are all right sides together. Okay, and then all I have to do is cut these apart here, and I will put them back into, usually I do all of one color at one time, but I needed to do some samples. And then I would put these back into the basket with their ties, like if these were matching, all back in here, so everything was together and everything was ready to go to this machine. And for cutting, another good tip is with my mask pattern, one of the cutting is 7.5 inches, which is not a multiplication factor that we know in our heads, and so we were having a lot of trouble remembering where 7.5 inches multiplied out was. So I took painter's tape and I marked it where we make the cuts, so we didn't have to think about it and messed up less in making our cuts for the fabric pieces. I think another thing is also your setup. I have everything here right next to my machine that I use to make the masks. I don't walk around after I've sat down at the machine. I have a basket here full of whatever I'm going to be making, and it's usually all one color, but again, I'm making some samples for tutorials and such. But I have my iron with my ironing board here, and if I needed something bigger, I would just set an ironing board here. I have my cutting mat and my ruler and my rotary cutter for evening up the edges. My pleating jigs, I stick those underneath here. And then over here on the side of my machine, I have my earbuds, of course, and any other measurement, scissors, my seam ripper, everything else goes right there. And in fact, all the thread that I use all the time is right here too. So just efficiency in your work area. You don't want to be getting up and going back and forth a lot. So I think that's all I can think about right now that's for as far as efficiency goes in helping you out making these masks faster. So see you later. Bye.